Golden Cloud recruitment system, where we streamline your recruitment process for optimal efficiency. In today's short tutorial, we will delve into one of the most crucial components, the request section. This section is the heartbeat of your recruitment journey. It's divided into four unique subsections, each tailored to provide you with in-depth insights and control over your recruitment initiatives. So let's begin with the recruitment requests. Recruitment requests is the starting point of your recruitment journey. It presents a dynamic table encompassing vital details, from customers' data to workers' information, contract and visa numbers, and other essential aspects. One of the key features of the recruitment requests is the request status. This dynamic indicator provides decision makers and employees with a profound insights into the entire recruitment process, ensuring transparency and informed decision making. The request status, it's not just a status, it's a window into the recruitment process. Here's how it provides significant insights. For example, 1. Selection status, where you quickly identify if a worker has been selected for a certain customer. 2. In process status, where you can track requests that are still in progress, so you can stay informed about ongoing recruitment initiatives and their current stages. 4. Approvals from external dispatch office, where you can receive instant visibility into whether the external dispatch office has approved the requests. 4. Visa issuance status, so you can monitor the status of visa issuance of recruited workers. Beyond these key status, there are additional indicators tailored to your specific recruitment workflow, from initial approvals to documentation stages. Each status reflects a crucial aspect of the recruitment journey. Now, we will give a quick overview of the transfer of sponsorship request subsection, which is a vital component designed to efficiently manage and track workers' transfers between customers. This section provides detailed insights into the entire transfer process, from the initial customer to the new one, capturing essential information along the way. This page will provide the following: 1. Transfers details, where you can access a comprehensive overview of workers' transfers between customers, where you can also identify the original customer and the new customer involved in each transfer. 2. Workers' information, where you can view detailed information about the worker undergoing the transfer. 3. Transfers date, where you can know the exact date when the transfer of sponsorship occurred, so you can track the timeline of workers' movement for effective management. Recruitment follow-up subsection, your central hub for overseeing every aspect of the recruitment process. Users can gain a detailed and a comprehensive overview for each individual recruitment request. This section is designed to provide in-depth insights, ensuring that you have all the information you need at your fingertips. Integrating essential informations from customer and request details to financial transactions and contractual forms. We can see here that we have four different subsections: basic information, which has the request data, the workers data, and here we have the customers data and everything that has to do with the request itself. And then we have the financial informations, which includes the recruitment invoice, any receipts vouchers, or any payment vouchers. The request status, this will show us a comprehensive overview of the request status, understanding the different stages that the request has gone through, providing transparency and facilitating decision making. And the last subsection, which is contracts and forms, so you can have access to all relevant forms and contracts related to the customer's recruitment process. So you can streamline document management for a more organized and efficient workflow. Request report subsection is a dedicated space designed to provide users and decision makers with efficient sorting and filtering options, ensuring quick access to specific and crucial information. So basically, all you have to do is to fill in these fields with your required informations or your necessary informations you're looking for. Let's start by the request status. For example, let's go for worker is selected. Let's go for the country here, maybe Ethiopia. The occupation, let's go for domestic worker. From date, let's go for January. And let's to date, let's go for today's date. And here the recruitment duration we have within the period or outside the period, within the period. And after setting your sorting and filtering preferences, click on the search button in here, and you can see the information that you were looking for is right in front of you, all within just few clicks. If you want to dive deeper into the details and see these features in action, head over to our YouTube channel where you can watch the full video demonstration. We're dedicated to providing you with the tools and resources you need to excel in your recruitment endeavors. Thank you for considering Golden Cloud Recruitment System.